hopefully you've made it at least this far in the video. I'm not claiming that this is going to be anything wild and crazy. Just wanted to test out the new camera to make sure I could take a video and edit it and upload it. So this is kind of a trial run, so not intended to be a wild and crazy riding video, but those of you interested in an Skidoo Expedition Extreme with the 900TurboR might be interested in it. And also those of you looking to maybe get a GoPro Hero 3 might be interested in it. So right now I'm just shifting into high from low, and we're going to get going. And stick around because we're going to go play in some a little bit deeper snow in the neighbor's property too after we go ride down the trail a little bit. Thanks to the fresh snow, I accidentally picked the steepest spot of the whole area to get up onto the trail. Wow. Shame on me.
It's got a little slippery here.
So if you guys can't hear, I'm attempting to talk to the camera to see if you can hear me, and you definitely can't understand me. Now I'm wearing a modular helmet with just one of those like fighter jet style face mask things that cover your mouth, so really it's not surprising that you can't hear me. I'll figure out some other way. Maybe in the future we can hook up a microphone, but definitely let me know if you are someone who's going to enjoy some ride-along videos. We're trying to plan a trip right now from St. Ignace all the way to Norway and back on sleds, my buddy, me, and his 12-year-old son. So there's potential for some more coverage for sure, and I would definitely like to bring this along. If I can get to Ontario, this should be really cool to film some between, well, depending on where we ride. We'll see if we can get up there. But let me know if you enjoy this style or the action video. I've had people ask for this, and I finally invested in one for the channel. As I've said, this is kind of a test run. It's not a long, I didn't go, I mean, we're probably talking a couple miles or something like that, nothing crazy. And I didn't do anything wild. I was riding alone, and I didn't actually have a lot of stuff with me. Like, I was noticing I didn't have a neck gaiter on. My throat was getting cold, or my neck was getting cold. But let me know what you think about this little, the video quality, and if you'd be willing to watch some trail riding videos, let me know what you think. And that's kind of what I was trying to say, was let me know what you guys want to see, and I can try and make some more videos using GoPro and potentially ride my 850 Renegade as well. Let me know if you'd rather see 850 Renegade two-stroke content, or if you like seeing the Expedition Extreme 900 TurboR content. I did a little, you're going to see here in a minute, so stick around. So I'm playing around in some deeper snow driving through my neighbor's property. So that's kind of cool and different. I'm looking forward to seeing it myself as I'm filming this, or I'm videotaping me talking, and I haven't seen the rest of the footage yet. So hopefully you enjoy it, and I will try and make more with the GoPro. So far I've got it figured out how to get a GoPro video into iMovie, and hopefully we'll be able to upload this to YouTube, no problem. And just so you know, in this stretch I'm doing about 45 to 52 or something like that, at least indicated on the machine, so it's probably more like 42 to 47 or something like that. I think the audio quality is pretty good. Let me know what you think, and if you're happy with the way this looks and sounds, and we'll go from there. I ended up almost catching up to these people a little bit quicker than I wanted to, just because they were on their own ride and I didn't want to interfere with what they were doing or make them think that I was trying to track them down, so I just kind of left some distance here. One thing I learned too is I will stick to only filming twisty trails. Filming a straight trail is downright pointless, and hopefully you guys are sticking with me for the sake of checking out the camera and hearing the exhaust sound. I don't expect anyone to stick around and watch 20 minutes worth of trail riding on a straight trail. I will only film twisty trails from now on. So thank you for bearing with me. Hopefully you're enjoying the video just a little bit. So I made all these trails that I'm riding on, and if you have any interest in also making trails through your property, you might want to check out some other videos that I made on trail building, and you can kind of probably see where this property started at the beginning of the year, back in July, and where it's at now, where I can actually ride through my property, which is really fun, especially after all the hours of toiling with the chainsaw and all the... I'm pretty sure I went through, boy, probably 15 gallons of two-stroke to make these trails, I'd say. Quite a bit of cutting. So hopefully you enjoyed it, and I know it could be a little bit of a dry video, but those of you interested in information on the 900R Expedition Extreme, this may be great for you, and also GoPro Hero 13 potential owners. Take care all.